And here we are with the Shiba Inu chart. Obviously, Shiba has done some absolute madness, turning people from, 10,000aires into literal billionaires, like with a S at the end. So we know that Shiba Inu has gone on a massive tear. We know this. And we know it's a dog coin, but we have to treat it seriously. And I'll tell you why. We have to treat it seriously because all charts are, any of these technical analysis charts, all they show is human behavior. With these low cap altcoins, yes, it does show, well, Shiba Inu is not low cap anymore. They are exaggerated. These human behaviors are exaggerated. People are more reckless, more scared. And that shows in the charts because of these crazy increases and the wild decreases just as fast. So while these, aren't the most stable of coins, they actually do show us really well what human behavior is likely to do in the future. Now, as I've shown you multiple times before, when we look at Bitcoin, for example, we use the Fibonacci extension using the number 1 line here at the top of the previous market. We drag it down to the bottom so that the 0 line is at the bottom of the market, and that typically projects the top of the next bull run. That's what the 2017 one has done here. The 2013 one does the exact same thing. It predicts the top of the altcoin, of the alt cycle right here. And then when we drag the Fibonacci extension, the 0.236 extension, all the way to the top of the 2013 market right here, it projected accurately the top of the market in a super cycle. So those are the two prices we're going to go for today for Shiba Inu. One is the typical bull run like we would see here. And the other one would be the super cycle run. That this is where people are getting that $300,000 Bitcoin from. Although I have some feelings about Bitcoin that I'm not going to share in this video. That'll be another one. So you might want to subscribe for that. But we can use that Fibonacci extension to predict where we're going to be in the eventuality of a normal bull run and a super cycle. So let's just do it. Let's just do it, shall we? So this was May 2021. There was too much, too little movement to be doing anything using all of this data. But if we use this recent peak as a gauge, so let's take it from the top down to the bottom, human behavior would show us that we've got a lot more to go for Shiba Inu. Now, this isn't even the ultra bullish target. Look how high that goes. I'm not even going to entertain that. Actually, I will entertain it. I'll do it at the end just for a bit of fun. So if we take a look at this, we haven't even reached that number 1 in the Fibonacci extensions. We did exactly peak out at this 2.618 extension, which from the bottom of the market, let's have a look, let's just say from September to then was actually a 1,213% increase. That's just from September. If we look at kind of these lows like April the 10th of this year, the gains are, I'm not even comfortable saying, but 500,000%. So that's what we've seen from Shiba Inu already. This does look like something that was the end of a market, a blow off top. It really does look like that. So when I say don't take these predictions as gospel, because there's ultimately 2 ways this goes. It either recovers and makes its way all the way up to the top of these Fibonacci extensions. I'll draw those lines in a second. Or we retrace down, and in this downwards momentum, we come back to these levels at I can't even say that number, but I'll zoom in on the number over there on the right. That's a full possibility for Shiba Inu. We could be going there now. There's a reason I don't think that's happening, and it has to do with Bitcoin and where I think Bitcoin is. But again, you're going to have to subscribe to see my Bitcoin video coming out soon. But in this instance, if we said we were going up to the upper end of these Fibonacci extensions and you bought Shiba Inu today, you would be looking at a 300% exactly growth on your money. So that's 3 times your money with Shiba Inu. Probably not something that gets you that excited. But please be aware that we have come up from, even, like I said earlier, from April 2021, we've already been up 500,000%. We've already done that. If that was the top of the market and we end up coming down and we're going to come all the way down to these numbers, what are those numbers? Let's see what a good buy price, I would say, would be a good buy-in price for Shiba Inu when we look ahead for 2025, because old trends come back. Shiba Inu will be back way in the future. But have a look at that number. I'm going to attempt to read it. I think a good buy order would be on this level at the 0.000092800 level. I think that would be a great buy spot. And even if we from there recovered back to all-time highs, you've got a 900% pump there. But that wouldn't be happening because we'd be looking at the next cycle for this. So let's have a little fun. We're going to try and do the next cycle's price for Shiba Inu based on human emotions and what it's shown so far. Let's say that Shiba Inu makes it to the top of the Fibonacci extension and makes it to the 0.00014 level, which would be from here a 300% gain exactly. With Shiba Inu, I am basically estimating, just like the rest of the altcoin market, we're going to be looking at a 98% or so decrease in the price from this moment, because that's what happens in the bear market. Let's see where a 98% decrease takes us. Even lower, look. So if you're between kind of 98 and 92% decrease, this is kind of your buy zone. So I'm going to drop another line in there, and that will be, well, you can see those two numbers on the right. Those would be some great pickup points for Shiba Inu, in my opinion. If we were to see an increase in Shiba Inu from the last all-time high, let's imagine we get up to here as an all-time high and then we come down to here as an all-time low. Let's see what the Fibonacci extension predicts for the next bull cycle for Shiba Inu. We would be looking at a 0.000578 Shiba Inu. And you want to get extra crazy? Let's say the next cycle is a super cycle. So we drag that Fibonacci extension way up, and don't like hold any of these to like as real truth here, because we're really getting into the moon boy type predictions here. But we would be looking at, if the Fibonacci extension gets fulfilled for this cycle at the top, then it comes down 96%, and then from that moment we then go up on a super cycle in 2025. All of those have to play out for this to happen. We'd be looking at a 0.002 cent Shiba Inu. If you bought today and it did ride up to that Shiba Inu ultra bullish super cycle target, you would be looking at only a 7,000% increase. Are you surprised at that number? Or are you kind of, which way are you surprised? Are you surprised that that's great? That's great. We've got 7,000%. Or are you looking at that as, well, where's my 500% gone? Well, let's have a look. If we drop this back down to buying at the bottom of this market, let's say we buy at the bottom of this market in 2022. What is the percentage increase at that point? So we buy here and we sell at the top of the super cycle. Well, now you're looking at 50,000%. So here's my message to everyone holding Shiba Inu. It is, don't buy it right now, because if you buy it right now, at best, you're looking at a 300% pump. Not important. We've got way more percentage points in Zcash, in Dash, in XRP. We've got so many more percentage points to be having than in Shiba Inu. But if you do wait, and wait to buy at these prices here that I've drawn, that you can see on the right, at that point, buying Shiba Inu, even a small amount of money, having the opportunity to, 500x that number with a 50,000% increase, that's worth it. That's really worth it. Even if you lost all that money because it's a meme coin and it goes down the drain. Look, Dogecoin has been around for a long time, and I think Shiba Inu is going to do the same. So if you're going to buy, I wouldn't buy now. Buy at the bottom of the market, hold a small amount, small bag, and hope for that super cycle in the next cycle. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the Shiba Inu price prediction for 2021, although it is more about, the price prediction for this cycle rather than 2021. Subscribe if you want a 10x pump on any coin. We've been growing so much recently, and 4 days ago we were on 28 subscribers and we're on 173 right now. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. I'm going to click refresh and see if we go up a subscriber. Yeah, 175. Let's go. Okay, so we've been growing like crazy. Check out my other cryptocurrency price predictions for 2021. There's so many in here and so many to come. Go and check them out. See if you've got any coins in there. I also do other videos like, well, I haven't been doing them recently just because I've been pumping out these price predictions, but at some point it will stabilize and I'll do personal finance videos and some cryptocurrency things explained. I'll also be doing a course which will explain all the charts and everything, and exit strategies for coins that I'm holding and coins that you probably hold as well. Thank you.